What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be going over meditation or how to do meditation and also the benefits of meditation. Well, first things first, some people or most people think meditation is just sitting there and doing this. But that's not what meditation is. Most monks out there will do it in that way for certain reasons. Maybe religious people will do it for that reason. Nothing wrong with that again. But today I'm going to share the benefits and also the technique on how to meditate the right way. But first things first, let's get into the benefits of meditation. So the first benefit, and also the biggest benefit you'll see when you start meditating, is just a clearer and more positive vision on life. You see, when your thoughts control you, that's a problem. Because you have to realize that your thoughts are not you. You are your spirit. Yeah? You're not even this body. I'm not this body. And you are not your thoughts. I know, that might sound bizarre and you might never heard this before, but when you really get into spirituality, you'll figure this out. You are not your body, you are not your thoughts. You are your spirit, your higher self. And when your thoughts control you, that's when your life just goes down, down, down every single day. But you must realize meditation is not to control your thoughts, because you can't control them. It's to not let them control you. Now, what do I mean by this? You can't control your thoughts because negative thoughts are going to come. If you meditate to stop negative thoughts, it's not going to work. You meditate for this reason with thoughts because you don't want the negative thoughts to take over you. That's the main reason. Look, again, as I said multiple times in my past videos, when you try and eliminate negative thoughts, you are essentially blocking life. You're essentially blocking life. So how do I eliminate them? Let them go. And once you realize this, your life will be so much better, and I can guarantee it. Your life will go from level 1 to level 10 just like that. When you stop trying to eliminate those negative thoughts, and instead, you don't welcome them in, but you let them go. They come, let them go, tell yourself that everything is okay. So benefit 1 is that your thoughts do not control you. You can't control them, but they do not control you. Benefit 2, you remain calm in any situation if you do meditation correctly. An angry situation, a jealous situation, a frustrated situation. Meditation teaches you to observe your thoughts from a third person's view and your situations from a third person's view, not from your own eyes. For example, let's say you're in a situation, let's say you're in an argument with someone. Let's say you're in an argument and you want to win that argument. You really want to win that argument. If you meditate correctly and your higher self, you've built up your higher self, instead of arguing with that person, you will instead step away from the argument. Not physically step away, well maybe that's what needs to happen, but step away in your head and observe your situation. It's like a bird. Think of your spirit going upward and observing your argument or your situation from a third person's view, as I said. You do not want other people to dictate your emotions. That's a really bad thing. If a person can make you angry, if a person can make you sad, that's on you, and you need to fix that because there's something wrong there. If you, in any situation, in an angry situation, if someone's making you angry, if you can react with your knowledge and not your emotions, you are a powerful human being. You are a powerful human being. That's what meditation teaches you. If you can remain calm in any situation, you are powerful. But Jack, I can't remain calm in those situations. It just gets to me. My best solution for you is to go and pre-order the 14-day self-growth course right now, where I run you through everything on how to remain calm in any situation. And that's just one part of the course too. That's just one day. If you really want to up-level yourself in 2022, go and pre-order the course right now for 50% off. I can tell you that right now, you will 10 times your investment in just 14 days. So if you're interested, again, link is below. But let's get back into it. They're the two major benefits I've seen. There's so many more, but they're the main two I've seen. Now let's get to the technique. Now, as you can see here, I'm sitting with my legs crossed, and as you can see, I'm swapping my hands here. One position is with your hands like in a 3 with a circle, as you can see, and then one is just with the arms or the hands open. It doesn't really matter what you do. Hand position doesn't really matter, but make sure your palms are up because you want to receive that positive energy that's flowing towards you. That's very, very important. Again, my back is straight, my posture is correct, my body is relaxed, nothing is tensed, and then from there on, all we need to do is just breathe. In through the nose, now through the mouth. I recommend going 4 seconds, so up through the nose for 4 seconds. 4, hold for 4, 3, 4, out. 4. Repeat. That's my best recommendation. Do that for 10 minutes, and the most important thing, when negative thoughts or a thought comes into your head, do not react. Observe your thought. If it's really overtaking your mind, ask yourself, why is this thought so daunting to me? But if it's not that bad, just let it go. It's the best thing. Use your breath as a focus. Your breath is there to make you focus on the present moment. The present moment is powerful. Yeah, if it's the past, if you're worrying about the past in meditation or whenever, forget about it. It's already happened. If you're worrying about the future, tell yourself, you cannot predict the future. You can only prepare for it. That's it. Meditation is very, very powerful. It's not just for nerds. It's not just for spiritual gurus. It's for everyone who wants to learn to not let their thoughts control them and to remain calm in any situation, feel happy, feel fulfilled in life. Because again, 99% of your life is lived up here, not out there. 99% of it is lived here. You better make it a good place. But I'm gonna end the video here. Just a short little video meditation, not very long. Again, if you want a bigger video on it, like more technique, if you want me to go through the whole technique, please let me know in the comments below. I'm all up to doing it. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button because I upload 2 videos per week on how can you become the best version of yourself in 2022. So again, don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe as well. But I appreciate you all watching my videos. I appreciate absolutely everything you guys do for me. If you guys are looking to get into fitness, please go down on the free workout plan below. And also, if you want to have me as your mentor and also book a free one-on-one call with me, if you apply, please go down below and click the first link in the description below. Fill out that format, and if you apply again, I'll hop on a free one-on-one call with you. But only fill that out if you're serious with working with me. I don't work with the people who are, I don't really care. I work with the serious people. That's it. Who want to really improve in 2022 and take their personal development, whether that be physical, mental, spiritual, to the next level, to help you live a healthier, happier life. But again, with that being said, guys, I'm out. Please let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.